Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be on the kitchen giving you your favorite dishes all the time. But today we are not cooking today. Today I just want to say, you know what I mean? I have to say congratulations to myself, you know what I mean? Basically, I know I work very hard, you know what I mean? I'm a chef also differently. I work differently. I do a 9 to 5 job like anyone else. You know what I mean? I do my YouTube channel just on the side. Sometimes I'm really tired. I don't, you know what I mean? But I want to get straight to the point. Today is my YouTube anniversary. Basically, it's 2.5 years now since I've been on YouTube, which I take it seriously. I didn't take it seriously when I just joined YouTube. And when I did the research, I said, wow, this is amazing. You know what I mean? Since the time when I've been on YouTube and, you know what I mean, it makes a big difference in my life. You know, I could be doing something different, you know what I mean? And I could be out there in the street. I could be out there doing all sorts of stuff. But, you know what I mean? I just make myself, you know what I mean? That's I'm a chef. I use that knowledge and that wisdom and that skill and say, you know what? I'm going to do a YouTube channel. And, you know what I mean? That's where I today can stand up in front of you, if you guys, that if you have something, why don't you share it to the world? Share it to the world. Me, you want to learn something too. Other else person want to learn something, plus you're a person who can make drinks. Yes, make some drinks and put it on and make a YouTube channel and make others can learn how to make drinks too. Just like myself, I want to learn more stuff. Although I'm a little chef, you know what I mean, but I want to learn more. So all right, suppose you a person can peel green banana in a different kind of way, or you know what I mean, know to carve green banana or do something, you know what I mean, carve apple, share it to the world, guys. You know what I mean? YouTube is open out to everybody in this world. So, and I want to say today is my YouTube anniversary, and I want to say I am happy 100%. 100% happy. I'm one of the happiest person in this planet, guys. That, you know what I mean, I joined YouTube 2 years ago. It makes a difference in my life, and it can make a difference in your life. So if you have something, share it. Don't afraid. Build your YouTube channel, go out there, show people how to do stuff, and make people learn. We are here, guys, willing to learn and willing to accept. So, guys, I'm telling you, it's brilliant. And you know what I mean, I love it, and I do it. I do work. I have a 9 to 5 job, but you know what I mean, I do this in between, and I cook every day. A lot of people doesn't know I cook every day. So today I want to stand up in front of this camera, and I want to simply tell the world, I don't know who's going to watch my video, that YouTube changed my life, and it can change your life. So today, why don't make YouTube change your life too? Yes, it can happen. Don't say no, what's the difference in your life? See what's the difference. You know what I mean? So today I want to say, guys, you know what I mean, as I stand up in front of the camera talking to you, we are not cooking, but you know, Chef Ricardo always a cook. But today is my YouTube anniversary, you know what I mean? I just want to tell you a big thanks to the fans them and to all of my friends them who support me, buy my cookbook, subscribe to the channel, leave their comments. There's so many things the fans them do for Chef Ricardo. It wasn't me. I can't do nothing. It was you guys. And today I want to give back to you to say thank you so much, and I appreciate it. And hopefully we can do better in the future, which is coming ahead of us. So guys, thank you so much. We love you. We appreciate everything you do for me and the team. We work very hard, and it is 2.5 years now, guys, since we take a YouTube channel seriously, and it is just growing. Yes, sometimes some people might write different stuff saying we're doing the same thing, but every recipe you go up on YouTube is different. If you're doing stew chicken 100,000 times, for me, it's different. Never go up the same way or we cook it the same way. Always different. So guys, thank you so much, and we appreciate it, and we want to say a big thank you for all of you. And remember, YouTube can change your life too. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye-bye.